Hello and welcome to ST20115 Object-Based Programming. This short video aims to get you started programming using the Java environment and the Eclipse IDE. So firstly we need to open Java up. The first thing it's going to ask you is to select a workspace. This is where your code's going to be stored, so you need to make sure that you set it somewhere convenient, either to your student area or perhaps your USB drive. Okay. Once that's loaded, the first thing we need to do is create ourselves a Java project, which we can do by clicking on File, New, and then the top there is Java project. Okay, and we enter ourselves a project name. I'm just going to call this Hello World. Okay, once that's done, I can simply accept the defaults and click Finish. Okay, on the left hand side of my screen I have a project there now. The first thing I need to do then is create myself a class file. So on this source folder here, again I select New, and this time I select Class. Okay, I'm going to call my class exactly the same thing as I call my project, so I'm going to call that Hello World. Okay, I need to make sure that public static void main is ticked, so I need to make sure there's a tick in there. Everything else I can leave as is, and I create Finish. Okay, and as you can see, that creates me a program stub. Okay, I want to write Hello World out to the console window, and we did something similar in C++ with the cout command. To do this in Java, it's System. Notice the capital S, Java's case sensitive, just as C++ was. System.out. Okay, dot print line, comma brackets, Hello World, and again, just like C++, it's syntactically based on C++, so all these rules you should be familiar with. I need to end that with a semicolon. Okay, once that's done, I can simply click, well, I shall save it first. Okay, and then once that's done, I simply press the green arrow here. Okay, and you can see down at the bottom of my screen here, there's a terminal emulator there, and it prints Hello World out to the screen. Okay, so if I wanted to change that to say Hello Students, and I run that. I didn't save it that time, so it's asking me to save it, so I'll say OK. And then once that's done, it runs.